say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Okay, bye. Hi. All right, I'm going out to dinner and I couldn't be bothered to do my hair. I washed it and blow dried it and I'm running out of time. And yet here I am. I wanted to put together a quick but still nice, classic and glowy. Get used to it. Glowy is the word here on my channel. Let's get started. I'm so late. I'm going to start with prepping my skin and just putting an extra layer of moisture by Glossier Future Dew. And I'm going to take only a small pump of this because I already put my eye cream and my serum. So I wanted to do a little bit like on the side of the faces and the bridge of the nose. Maybe a little bit under the eye. Get that, just pat that in to give your skin an extra. So for foundation, I'm going to be using a stick foundation, which is very unusual for me. I don't really use that formula because also in my professional kit, it's just hard to use on more than one client. So in my quest for finding the perfect foundation to cover my previous acne, I've gotten so many and I did fall in love with the Milk Makeup Stick Foundation. And the way I apply this, instead of taking the tube and just striping on my face and then trying to blend it with a beauty blender or so, I like very little coverage now that I can just have my skin out and about without covering it all up. So what I do is I just take a synthetic brush. This is Laura Mercier, it's a cheek brush, but take whatever works for your face. And I literally just go over. And I will start from the center of the face, is always where most of my redness and where most us women hold the redness. So I'm gonna start here. And you can see even with the brush, it's quite, I'm gonna do one side so you guys can see. It's quite the coverage, but yet it's sheer and it's very luminous coverage. Around the nose and the chin area where a lot of that hormonal acne was residing. I have mentioned in my favorites videos that I have probably over 10 foundations now that I love because I was looking for the perfect one when I had skin problems. So a lot of you mentioned that you would like to see that. So I'm filming that next. I mean, look how beautiful. This is the side without. And here, very natural, very skin-like. So let's finish. Okay, a nice thin veil. And now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my dark circles with my one and only YSL All Hour Concealer. I am very curious about the YSL All Hour foundations. If any of you have tried it, please let me know because I love the concealer so much. So I'm only gonna put it right here in the corner where the darkness is. That's it. So please, yes, let me know in the comments below if you have tried the All Hours YSL. I'm gonna go in my inner corner too because I'm going to do just a wash of sparkles, maybe. So I want my my eyes to be completely concealed and no veins and darkness. I'm gonna go a little bit here as well. And a little bit on the eyelid. And then with my trusty e.l.f. Cosmetics sponge, I'm just going to gently blend and tap the product in. I just realized I have not brought my powder, my setting powder for underneath the eyes, so I normally don't do this, but I am going to use what I have here, which is the All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder by Urban Decay. And it's okay, I'm not gonna use too much underneath the eyes. What I'm gonna do is just go over my eyelids a little bit because I don't want them to be too sticky when I apply the shimmery shadows that I'm gonna use today. And then gently, just a little bit around my nose. This is the area where I usually get a little bit, like my chin and my nose, a little bit oily. So I'm gonna be very brave, and I'm not gonna go upstairs to get my underneath the eye powder. So I'm gonna tap in here just a little and pray that this is not going to be drying for underneath the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of bronzer. I have the Milk Makeup Bronzer, and I'm going to I'm gonna take it on the same brush that I did my foundation. This is Baked, and again, I'm just gonna take it on the brush, and I'm going to gently apply it right here where my natural shadow is, just like that. And then I'm going to blend. Again, I'm not using the actual tube to stripe because I feel like a lot of product comes out when you do that, and it's already very bronzy. So I'm gonna go underneath my cheekbone, and then a little bit on my forehead. As you all remember, I like a very slight contour, and I follow the number 3. So you go in here, the pattern, and of course a little bit here. Now I'm going to take a little bit more, and I'm going to give myself a sun-kissed glow. So I'm gonna go right here where I would normally put the blush. And then I'm going to just tap it across the nose. I think I gotta go because he's home and I'm not ready. Hi, honey. That's my son, and that's my boyfriend's car. I'm so not ready. We're gonna do this. Okay. I'm going to take a touch of this bronzer and just run it a little bit on my eyelid so they're not completely white. And yes, I know I put a little bit of powder there. Don't freak out. Nothing bad is gonna happen. Just give your eyelids a little bit of shade. Hi. You wanna come say hi? To everyone? Come say hi. Cooper wanted to say hi earlier.
He did?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Nobody can see you there.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, I'm getting ready for dinner.
Okay.
Let me finish. Go. Okay, let's stop blending. I'm gonna move on to the eyes. Like I said, I only put a little bit of the bronzer, and now, easy peasy, I'm going to use the ROEN Palette 75 degrees, and I'm going to go into this bronzy shade right here. I will list it down below because I can't see right now. These were created by Nikki DeRoost, a fellow makeup artist, and they are the most gorgeous, easy to use eyeshadows you'll ever own. So I am giving myself a nice wash of just beautiful. They almost look wet. You don't need to be precise. Just use your fingers. Actually, so I've been using this one. I'm gonna go in a little bit this, I cannot tell which one it is because I cannot see. I'm gonna go into this orange, like brick color. I'm gonna top it because my lipstick and my cheeks are going to be a little bit on the warm side. I mean, how beautiful. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see. How gorgeous is this? I'm gonna do the same thing. Go in with the bronzy shade, and then I'm going to top it with the orange shade. And if you feel you need to blend a little more, just take a brush. I'm gonna go and swirl in the bronzy shade and just run this a little bit in the crease. And then towards the outside, just feather it. The best thing about these eyeshadows, you do not need to be precise. They're just so easy to use and so beautiful. And you know what? I think I'm gonna go underneath too. I kind of like the haziness, smokiness that this gives. So I'm gonna go with the same brush. This is a Persona brush. Another fellow makeup artist, Sona Gasparian. I love these girls. They just came out with beautiful, beautiful products. I'm going to just feather this out. And that's it. Before I do my mascara, I want to do a little bit of color on my cheeks and more highlight so I can set everything with a spray and then do mascara. I'm going to reach for another Milk makeup product, and this is the Illuminator in Lit. And again, I'm not going to stripe this on my face. I'm just going to reach for a synthetic brush, and I'm just going to pick up the product from here and do this. So beautiful. I'm gonna go a little bit on my cheeks too because I do like that plum look that a highlighter gives you when you have it a little bit on your apples. So natural. I'm going to add a touch of color on the cheeks, and I'm going to use the lipstick I'm going to use today, which is the Hourglass. I will put the name below. It's GG, but I'm going to just take a little bit on my fingers and tap, tap, tap. Just use the same brush I used for the highlighter and just blend. It's beautiful. It has the same brick tone as the eyeshadows. Tap, 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 and blend. And don't be afraid of using cream products. I believe they look so beautiful, especially on mature skin. So this is such an easy tool to use. All right, to finish off, before I put on my mascara, I think I'm going to take the illuminator and just gently press just a little bit right here in my inner corner. Not too much. We already have this beautiful, beautiful sparkle eye. And I'm going to spray everything and then add some severe coats of mascara. How beautiful these cream products look. They don't accentuate fine lines and wrinkles. They just become one with the skin, making everything look so glowy, so fresh and healthy. I'm going to give myself a good curl. And then 2 coats of mascara, or 3, because why not? All right, my loves, I am very pleased with how this turned out. I love how the skin looks, how it's all monochromatic in the same tones, and it just blends together easily, looks fresh. I can't be serious when you're watching me. I just finished. I need to say goodbye.
She is so beautiful.
Okay, I love you. Stop laughing. Bye. All right, you ladies. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know if you recreate this and tag me in your photos. I love seeing your recreations on Instagram. Find me there and let's chat. Again, do not be afraid of cream products. Just start with little. You'll see it makes a huge difference. I started noticing the difference, especially now on more mature skin. So I love how everything stays fresh and just looks healthy. Now, this is it, and very effortless. You can use fine glitter without being afraid that, you know, you're gonna look like you're out for the holidays. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.